Artificial intelligence was supposed to change everything, work less, earn more, and finally break free from the old rules. But for most people, AI changed absolutely nothing. Not because the technology failed, but because expectations were wrong. Everywhere online, the message sounds the same. AI will make you rich. AI will replace jobs. AI will create passive income while you sleep. Social media makes it look easy. Just use the right tools, follow the right prompts, copy the right system. But if it were really that simple, why are millions of people doing the same thing and getting the same result? Nothing. The truth is uncomfortable. People don't pay for technology. They never did. They pay for results, for saved time, for fewer mistakes, for less stress. Technology without context doesn't create value. It only creates noise. And AI without a clear purpose is just another tool waiting to be ignored. The people who quietly make money with AI aren't chasing trends. They don't talk about passive income. They don't promise shortcuts. They automate boring work. They remove friction from systems that already exist. They solve problems nobody wants to deal with. Emails, reports, customer support, repetitive decisions. Not exciting, but effective. AI doesn't replace effort. It multiplies it. If you already have something valuable, AI can scale it. If you don't, AI just makes that more obvious. And that's why most people won't make money with AI. Not because it doesn't work, but because they never gave it anything worth multiplying. So the real question isn't, how do I make money with AI? It's this: what problem is actually worth solving?